Today, we did driver's training and PMCS training. So I just showed the guys how to drive certain vehicles and how to look for things that are broke on it. You have different breakdowns of TMs. Today we're in the operator manual TM, and it just shows you what the truck is, how to use the truck, some of the different features, and how to do your checks and services on it. So I try to teach it from the lens of if I was learning and what would I want to know. So I kind of just look at past experiences and say, hey, if they would have showed it maybe this way, I would have went through. The Army's good with TMs, and you can go step by step and kind of add information as needed. I want them to feel like they're able to do it and that they learned it themselves. As an NCO teaching these guys, you got to make sure they're doing the right thing. If you see them doing an unsafe action, don't get on to them. Just be like, hey, this is not the way to do it. The proper way to do it is this way. So after PMCS, we do road test itself. So we have a course here we run down, and it goes through different bridges, over different railroad tracks, run down certain highways, meets all the requirements. But it's pretty much just kind of getting them comfortable behind the wheel, because that's what it takes, is a lot of road time. Because a lot of these guys only ever drove the smaller cars, and they're trying to drive a Hemet or an LMTV, and it's a little overwhelming to some people. So you know, like the more time they spend behind a wheel, the better. I enjoy working with them and helping people learn. It's really nice at the end of the day when you see that thing click and they actually understand it.